Hi there, friends. Hello. I think I should be audible from what I'm looking at here. So let me just confirm that I'm live and good. Yep. Hello, people. Good day. Welcome to another live stream of Smooth Dev Saturday. Has been a week. I've had quite a stressful one, I must confess. But I'm good. I'm fine now. I had to rest like 2 or 3 days so as to get back on track. But yeah, re-energized. Okay, so the stream today, I won't be writing code, but what I want to do is I want to set up my Mac. So unfortunately, I had to reset my Mac for development because Apple told me for me to be able to continue using my developer license, I have to actually create a new Apple ID. Well, I don't know, that kind of sucks, but that's what I gotta do. So I had to set my Mac up fresh with a new Apple ID. So here I am setting it up. So what I wanted to do is to actually show you how I set up this machine for software development. Now, the only thing I actually have installed here, so I think I'll have to transition my screen now. Just a moment. Okay, yeah. So the only thing I actually have installed, pardon me, I'm still trying to get used to all this Mac stuff. So let me try it from here. So the only thing I have installed, my installation, my streaming software, and what else do I even have installed? Let me check. So the only thing, Launchpad. Oh, the Launchpad is actually showing on my screen down here. Let me see if I can bring that up. Just a moment. Um, that's display capture. Just a moment. That's coming up in a bit. Okay. Let me just no, I shouldn't be adding it here. So remove this. Yep. Just pardon me a little bit. Still trying to get used to streaming on my Mac, so you pardon me today if it's not that smooth. So yeah, got it now. So let me go ahead and customize that. I'm actually over here on my other screen, so you won't be able to see how that is done quite yet. But once it's ready to go, I'm gonna show it. Yeah, I got it almost ready. I think so. Yeah. So I need to disable this. Okay, yeah. So this is what I got. I only have my basic apps installed. That's my streaming software, that's OBS and OneDrive for me to sync the media files I'm using for this stream down. So this PC is as blank as it can be, coming fresh from factory. So of course this laptop is a 16 gig RAM 256 SSD, Intel Core i7-26 MacBook Pro with touch bar. This is what it looks like if I'm allowed to. Just a moment. Let me put that out here. So this is what it looks like. And the only extra thing I've done is connected my Bluetooth mouse. Sorry, the Bluetooth mouse and the Bluetooth keyboard and the headset. So this is the adapter. I need to bring this by the side. So that's the adapter right at the back. Sorry for this messy setup. I just had to come to the office to do this because of bandwidth today. So that is the setup right here. These Windows devices are doing basically nothing for the day. So this is all I have set up. So it's nothing. It's fresh. I sort of had the oven scenario. So I want this back here. Okay, looks good now. So that is it. That is how the display. I have no apps installed currently, as you can see. So what I'm gonna do now is I'll start installing my stuff, and that is what I'll start with. So I will go back, disable these, and enable this, and boom. Okay, so I don't mind my website showing here. I'm just trying to make fun of myself. So the first thing I actually installed. So you pardon me if I have to go back and forth now, because I have a list of to-do of apps I'm gonna install to make this happen. So first I've run my Mac operating system. Let me actually open the to-do here so I don't have to look so far. Okay. Okay, one thing I could actually do is install the to-do app here. But I don't want to see all the stuff I got going on in my life, so I wouldn't show you all that. Alright, but I have it opened up here, and you just need to switch my profile to my personal, smoothdevsaturday, and I'm gonna go here. Okay, reinstall my Mac is done. The next thing I wanna do now is what does it? So let me actually install so to do so. I'll install all the apps I normally use. So I'll go to Microsoft To Do app. Actually, I'm supposed to install it from the App Store. So let me go ahead to the App Store and install that. Okay, so this is the App Store here, right here. I'm trying to move that over here. Yep, so this is the App Store. Open here. Just a moment, there's a little bit messed up over here. Yep, so this is the App Store. I search for To Do. Let me open Microsoft To Do is the first that comes up. Yep, I got it right up on here. So I go ahead and install it. Put in my touch. It's actually macOS Catalina is actually more better now. It sucks less than it used to be when it first came out. So kudos to them for actually doing that. So let me open up the To Do. Open up on my screen down here. I'll sign in with my personal email address. Okay, these guys can lock. So I'm just completing my sign-in process, as you can see. So let me complete that. So I need to sign in, finish my authentication over here on my phone. And I should be ready to go. Alright, so I gotta accept all the privacy terms and all that, and then my app is ready to go. And I just want to open the exact one that concerns me, at least this stream. So here I've installed my Mac. The next thing is PowerShell. Now the sweet thing about PowerShell now, well, it's in version 7, and it is cross-platform. That means I can run it on Mac, PC, on Linux. So I'll go ahead and install PowerShell for Mac OS. So I'll just run this. I'm not going to any special Microsoft site, so I'm being. Oh, it's Google. All right, so good, all that. Well, I want to do the direct download. So as you can see, I want to do the direct download because I don't want to run all this information. So, but so currently now, for me to install PowerShell, I need this .NET tool 10. So I would first need to okay, there's an instruction here I can actually use. You can see. So I'll go ahead and copy this, and I'll open up my terminal. Okay, so terminal over here. Can I do that? No, I cannot. So let me paste that command. My password for this Mac, can I still remember? I think I can.